Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about meta title and meta description. This is very important part for on-page SEO, and you should know about meta title and meta description. So, in this class, I will discuss everything about meta title and meta description. So, let's get started. Okay, thank you. So first of all, I have already made some videos in my channel for SEO full course. So if you have missed my video, you should watch my video from the playlist, and definitely that will help you to understand for the next class. Okay, so you should watch my video from start to end and follow my playlist SEO full course. Okay, so now we want to discuss about meta title and meta description. What first of all, what is we want to know about what is meta title and meta description. So when you will search on Google will show some results for you, and you will see some results like I want to search another keywords. Okay, for example, I want to search here best coffee maker in USA, and I want to hit enter. Then Google will show some results their search area, like this one. Here is the result, the first one, then second one, then third, and it's keep going. So where is meta title? Okay, here is number one. Meta title is here. Normally when people search any keywords, that time he or she will just see the meta title, this one, and here is the meta description. So this meta title and meta description is very important for the ranking. Okay, so if you think if your meta title is eye-catching, that will help you to get traffic. Also, if you use your keywords like here, please see the example. We just search here best coffee maker in USA, and the meta title is the best coffee makers for perfect brew every times. Okay, so here is the best coffee maker keywords in this title, so best coffee makers. Also, I want to check here I want to see here they will use our keywords in their title or not. So if you want to check, you can check easily from their title. So here it is best coffee makers. Okay, so also I want to see here best coffee makers. So this is very important for the ranking. If you want to rank your any post, any page, or anything, definitely you should use your keywords in your meta title. Definitely also you should use your keywords in your meta description. So this is very important part for your ranking, and this is very important for on page SEO. So if you want to optimize, you should know about meta title and meta description. Normally when you will search, then you will see these kinds of results, that is meta title and that is meta description. So normally this meta title will be 160 characters, and the meta description will be 260 characters. So when you will write your meta title and meta description, you should care about it. Okay, so I want to check in my website. So when I just search with some keywords, so there is the meta title, best SEO expert and digital marketer in Bangladesh. Also here is my meta description. So normally there are few system you can define, you can edit your meta title and meta description for every page, every post from your Yoast SEO, but sometimes Google don't take the meta description from your Yoast. It depends on Google. So but don't leave the area where you can chance to edit your meta title and meta description. So first of all, you should go your website. So I want to go my personal portfolio website. So home page. So I want to go to my pages. So here it is, all pages. Then I want to find out my home pages. So I want to edit. Sometimes when you will use your website with WordPress, you will see some uh, page builder like Elementor or or Classic Editor or some other page editor like Elementor. That's time you will see some variation to edit your page. So there is two option. Number one is edit. Number two is edit with Elementor. So when you want to change your meta title and meta description, you should click edit. So I want to click here and I want to open. Okay. So here is our home page. If you want to edit your main content from the home page area, you just click here, edit with Elementor. But we want to just change our few things for the SEO. So here is your focus keywords from the Yoast plugin area. So you should put your focus keywords here, and also you just see your meta title. This is SEO title here, and also you will see the meta description. Okay, so this is very important. You should write two things like meta title and meta description, and after that you can easily optimize your meta title and meta description from your Yoast SEO area. So I think this is very important for the ranking, and you should write this meta title within 160 character, and the meta description will be 260 characters. So also put your keywords in your meta title, meta description that I have already said, and that will help you to rank. I think you can easily know about, you can easily do this, and you got the point what I want to say. Okay, so I want to check another thing. Okay, sometimes you will find some websites that made with some custom code like Laravel, React, or something like that. So that's time you should know and you should change your meta title and meta description. So how can you do this? You should know about the code where you can put your meta title and meta description. Simply go to the website for checking and click from for the Windows user, Control U, and for the Mac user, press Command U. Okay, so then you will see this kinds of interface, and here it is from the head section. You will see the title. So here is our meta title. This one that we have already done with Yoast SEO plugin. Also here you will see the content meta description. Okay, so here it is. So you will, if you want, you can easily write from your code, and you can put for the custom website, and definitely you can set your meta title and meta description for every page. So this is very important. So in future when you will start to work with some clients, that's time that will help you, I think. So in this tutorial, I think we have learned easily how can we write or how can we implement our meta title and meta description, and I think this video is very helpful. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe this channel and please share with your friends. Thanks.